Let me fix this. Hey, my beautiful people. I am dragging, but I'm happy to be back. I had an amazing birthday weekend, and when I came home, it was packages and packages upon packages here for me to open, and it was like getting an amazing birthday gift after an amazing birthday weekend. But yes, I'm ready to dive in. I'm gonna start with just these two packages first, but these are items that I got from this brand. I kind of been peeping this brand, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been peeping their website, I've been looking, because I'm like, they sell some really nice items. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, 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 and more yes. Please send me something. I want to talk about it. I want to find out what the quality is like. So I decided I'm gonna do just a little unboxing first because I want to see what the quality is looking like. Because the clothes look cute online, but I want to see what it looks like up close and in person. Now they are on the TikTok shop, but they do have their own website, guys, and it's called Chic Me. Not Chic Me, Chic Me. Like me, I'm chic. So we're gonna get into the first one. And I already pre-opened these. You know I wasn't gonna wait to do a video to open it. I had to open it first. But this, as simple as it looks, guys. You see that? You see how simple that looks? That looks like a basic, simple black t-shirt to you, right? But it's not. It's really not. Are you checking the bounce to that? Do you see the bounce? You ladies know what I'm talking about when you see that bounce. That means this is not no regular schmegular t-shirt. This t-shirt has weight to it. It's silky. It's soft. You see that bounce? Look at this. This is not a regular t-shirt, guys. This is a dress t-shirt. This is a dress shirt that is no sleeve, the loose hoop collar. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do a little try on. I have some ideas, but the quality, it feels like butter. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This feels like butter. Just a nice quality, but it just has a quality to it that you know that it's just not no regular schmegular t-shirt. This ain't regular, guys. Okay, so I just needed to tell you about the quality of this t-shirt. The next one is, I love this one. The details on this shirt, I cannot wait to do a try on haul with this one. Get into it. This is my true size, which is a small, but it's meant to be flowy on you. It's meant to be flouncy and flowy. It comes with this little shoulder chain. So when you put it on, you're gonna have this little shoulder chain. And red, are you catching this red? This is cherry red. They had tons of different reds on the runway, so red is in for 2024, guys. Again, material, silky soft. Silky soft. It is not see-through. Solid material. Let me show you the sleeve detail. The sleeve detail is what I'm in love with. Are you seeing this? Buttons all the way down. 6 buttons. So you check that sleeve out? Really love that button detail, gold and red. I cannot wait to try this on, guys. I'm gonna do a little try on haul. Chic Me is fairly new. Check online. They're already out and about online. They are growing in popularity. Their clothing are quality. And I'm definitely planning on getting more because, again, 2024, I'm stepping up my fashion game. So yes, if you're interested in any of these tops, you know where to find it.